Hi, my name's Walt and I'm one of the co-founders of White Label Suite. Over the next few moments, I'm going to be talking to you about our lead generation software, generating leads for businesses. Now that includes your business, starting with the fact that you can use this lead generation tool to fill your own funnels and make sure that your business is making sales. How important is that? Being able to target your ideal client and bring those clients together is what the lead generation software really shines in its capacity to do. But of course, there's also the ability to white label that program. So you then get to put your own brand on that and sell it for your own margin. We'll cover that in other videos. Let's talk about what the software does and how it works for just a moment. So within the program, there's some quite advanced AI functionality. The core of this program, though, is being able to find and identify your ideal client. So there's 3 different types of searches that we'll be talking through. So in our first search, it's what we call our company or local search. Our company search allows you to search by vertical or by niche. You're looking for a particular type of business. So ask yourself, if I could reach out to a specific kind of business, knowing that they're my client, who would I be reaching out to? So maybe you're looking to find real estate agents in Seattle. Okay, fantastic. Just pop that into the system. And in just a few seconds, we start to pull those results in. You might be looking for building contractors in Sydney, or you might be looking for training organizations in London. Anywhere in the world, any niche vertical in the world, you'll be able to use our company search to find that information. Also within the program, we have what we call a people search. And this is where you can really dial in your lead generation and you can look for a specific level of person within a company. So you might say, I'm looking to speak to the CEO, or maybe I work best with salespeople or sales managers. So we can say, okay, I'm looking for salespeople in a particular location, let's say in Miami. So we look for salespeople in Miami. Okay, amazing. But then our people search allows you to get much more granular in the people that you're looking for. Maybe I'm looking for people at a specific income level, or I'm looking for people who are performing at a certain level in their role. They might be the C-suite, or they might be a manager level. Somebody that's been in their job for a certain amount of time. Somebody that's only started this job a little while ago. Maybe you want to be able to present your system to somebody new in their role. Or you can look for turnover, you can look for employee counts, you look for specific industries. So I'm looking for CEOs or sales managers in Miami that are in the construction industry and who have 1 to 50 employees. Amazing. So our people search then will go to work for you and return those results instantly. And our final search is when we can look at individual businesses. So there might be that company that you've always wanted to work for or always wanted to work with. You just simply pop their domain into our local search, into our domain search, and you'll be able to instantly return all of the records that are showing up for that particular business. Now, creating those lists of targeted leads is just step 1 within the program. As we then go and look at those lists, the system is enriching that data with incredible results. Now we're starting to see things like employee count. So I might be able to say, okay, find me only businesses that have got 10 employees and above. Now I'm also able to see their reputation in the marketplace. I've got their business address. I've got their website address. And now let's have a look at some incredible things here. We also are able to bring back all of their social accounts. So now I can reach out to these businesses on any platform. I can see their Facebook page. I've got their LinkedIn profile. I've got their Instagram account, their YouTube channel, their X feed. So now I've got all of their social media accounts. I'm now able to really dial into the kinds of businesses that I really want to approach. Also, within the system, all of the employee email addresses and contact details, if they're available. Now, it's important to know that all of our data is 100% compliant. We're only finding information that's publicly available. If you had hours and hours to spend on every search, you could do this yourself. Software just makes that simple and easy. So now we've got our targeted leads. We've got data about those leads. We've really enriched that data to find out more about every single client that you're looking to approach. Now let's kick in the AI. Because AI, or artificial intelligence, really drives this function way high. And this is super valuable. So within AI, we start by telling the system all about you and your business. What do you sell? Who do you sell to? What's your business name and your website? So once we have that information in the system, the AI can go to work for you. And the AI can do some incredible things, like it can do a summary analyzing your prospects and finding the best ways for you to work together. So it will look at their business, it will understand what your business does, and it will create for you an opportunity to work together. It will create an icebreaker for you so you're able to go out and approach these businesses. It will literally create the approach for you, allowing you to really connect with these ideal leads. You can even do things like email subject lines. So the AI will write an opening subject line targeted and personalized to that business that you can then connect up to your CRM. We'll cover that in just a second. But the AI is creating summaries, it's creating icebreakers, introductions, email subject lines that are all personalized based on your two businesses working together. And the AI even has what we call the ICP suggest, which is Ideal Client Profile, ICP. The system can analyze your company and suggest for you new markets for you to go after. So now you can find new opportunities and then let the AI find those people for you and bring them into your lead system. This is the hub of what our lead generation software does. There's incredible connectivity within the program as well. So once you have the leads there, you can instantly connect up to your CRM system. You can plug this in and take these leads into any program that you like. We can connect up with Zapier and Pabbly. We can connect directly to the CRM systems themselves. And that allows you to find your targeted leads and instantly get some connection campaigns going for them. Of course, you need to stay compliant, but that's making sure that you're able to get these leads into your business. So this lead generation software can find, identify, communicate with, and really nurture your ideal clients. We can also take the data out. So now we've got a list of targeted leads. We can take that data and we can put it into a spreadsheet, which you can then use in your advertising, upload to YouTube or Facebook, create custom audiences so you can target your ad spend to only the people that you've predetermined are the right customers for you, increasing your ROI with every step. So our lead generation software is a godsend for businesses. It's really allowing a business to find and bring in their ideal clients. And that allows you to help those businesses grow. As a white label reseller, if you'd like to then resell this program, you have a strong system that you can put your brand on, that you can charge whatever you like for. You can build a recurring income as a SaaS or software product. And that is an amazing opportunity that we talk about in future videos. But the lead generation software is the lifesaver for businesses, allowing them to find their ideal clients, to connect with those ideal clients, and to fill the sales funnels so that they're never hunting for leads ever again. This is the software program that allows you to make more sales. So our lead gen program is the core of our white label suite offering. Start by generating leads for yourself. Make sure that you've got leads. Make sure your business is strong, that you can reach out to your ideal clients. And then examine the white label opportunity and see if that's something that you'd like to sell on to other businesses. Come and get some more leads. This is the lead generation program with White Label Suite.